Max Ernst was a German painter, sculptor, graphic artist, and poet. A prolific artist, Ernst was a primary pioneer of the Dada movement and Surrealism. He had no formal artistic training, but his experimental attitude towards the making of art resulted in his invention of frottage, a technique that uses pencil rubbings of objects as a source of images, and grattage, an analogous technique in which print is scraped across canvas to reveal the imprints of the objects placed beneath. Man Ray was an American visual artist who spent most of his career in Paris. He was a significant contributor to the Dada and Surrealist movements. Although his ties to each were informal, he produced major works in a variety of media but considered himself a painter above all. He was best known for his pioneering photography and was a renowned fashion and portrait photographer. André Breton was a French writer and poet. He is known best as the co-founder, leader, and principal theorist of Surrealism. His writings include the first Surrealist Manifesto of 1924, in which he defined Surrealism as pure psychic automatism. Those activities, combined with his critical and theoretical work on writing and plastic arts, made André Breton a major figure in 20th century French art and literature. Salvador Dalí is among the most versatile and prolific artists of the 20th century and the most famous Surrealist, though chiefly remembered for his painterly output. In the course of his long career, he successfully turned to sculpture, printmaking, fashion, advertising, writing, and perhaps most famously filmmaking in his collaborations with Louis Buñuel and Alfred Hitchcock. René Magritte was a Belgian Surrealist artist who became well known for creating a number of witty and thought-provoking images, often depicting ordinary objects in an unusual context. His work is known for challenging observers, preconditioned perceptions of reality. His imagery has influenced pop art, minimalist art, and conceptual art. Hello, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.